at St. Mary's International College. We don't just teach nutrition, we serve knowledge on a plate. In our fully equipped food and nutrition lab, students learn the science of healthy living through hands-on culinary experiences, from meal planning and preparation, to hygiene and food safety, to understanding nutritional values in global cuisines. Learners engage in practical sessions that develop life skills, creativity, and independence, using modern kitchen tools and guided by passionate instructors. Our students explore the connection between food, wellness, and culture. They cook, they create, they understand what it means to nourish the body and mind. Admissions for 2025, 2026 are now open.
You want to taste this delicious meal from our kitchen? You see, it's crispy and of course, mouth-watering. Thank you.